In this video, I'm going to show you how to set primary display on Windows 11. So as you can see, I'm on a Windows 11 PC and I'm going to just simply right click on my desktop here and click on display settings. Now, if you have multiple monitors, this is when you'll have the option to set your primary display. And as you can see right now, by default, number one is selected. And if you look just below these, you have these options and it says make primary display. This is grayed out. And this is because number one is my primary display. If I want to set, for example, number two as my primary display, I will click on number two monitor from here. And now you see the option to make this option. And I can click on that and it's going to now switch that for me. And now number two is my primary display. And as you can see, I can do it again for number one, then click make primary display. And as you can see, it just do that for me again. And that's it, guys. That's how to change your primary display on your Windows 11 PC.